Traveling can be an exhilarating experience, but packing can often feel overwhelming, especially for women who want to stay stylish, comfortable, and prepared for any situation. Whether you're jetting off on a weekend getaway or embarking on a month-long adventure, having the right travel essentials is key to making your trip smooth and stress-free. From versatile clothing to must-have beauty items, this video will help you pack smart so you can focus on enjoying your journey. Let's get started. The ultimate travel essentials for women. Welcome to a mode where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Luggage essentials. When it comes to traveling, the right luggage can make all the difference. A sturdy suitcase is a must-have for any trip. Opt for one that's lightweight but built to last. Look for a suitcase with 360-degree spinner wheels for easy maneuverability. If possible, choose a carry-on suitcase to avoid checking in your luggage. Airlines often have size restrictions, so make sure the dimensions are compatible with major carriers. A roomy, stylish tote is an essential travel companion for women. It's perfect for keeping your in-flight essentials like a book, snacks, and a small cosmetic bag within reach. For day trips and sightseeing, a crossbody bag is ideal. Packing cubes are a game changer when it comes to keeping your suitcase organized. They allow you to separate your clothing by category. Have a designated cube for dirty laundry to keep it separate from clean clothes. A compact, waterproof toiletry bag is essential for storing your skincare, beauty products, and toiletries. Opt for a design with multiple compartments to keep everything organized and easy to access. Decant your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and lotions into travel-sized containers to save space. Choose a travel wallet that can store your passport, credit cards, boarding passes, and cash in one place. A stylish, durable luggage tag with your contact information is a must in case your luggage gets misplaced. Choose a tag that stands out, making it easy to spot your suitcase on the conveyor belt. A foldable travel bag is perfect for bringing home souvenirs or extra items you pick up on your trip. Having the right luggage essentials is key to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. Whether it's a weekend escape or a globe-trotting adventure, traveling with the right gear will make all the difference. 2. Clothing essentials. When packing for a trip, one of the biggest challenges is balancing comfort and style while still keeping your luggage light. For women, having the right clothing essentials is key to staying prepared for different weather conditions, activities, and occasions. Pack neutral-colored tops like t-shirts, tank tops, or lightweight blouses that can be easily mixed and matched with different outfits. Bring a mix of pants, shorts, or skirts depending on the climate. Lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics such as cotton or linen are perfect for warm weather, while stretchy leggings or jeans work well for cooler climates or long flights. Opt for clothing that can be worn in multiple ways. For example, a button-down shirt can double as a light jacket or be layered over a tank top. A pashmina or large scarf is a versatile travel essential. It can keep you warm on a flight, serve as a stylish wrap for evening outings, or even act as a makeshift blanket in a pinch. Pack one cozy sweater or hoodie for those moments when you need extra warmth. Choose a neutral color that can pair with multiple outfits and be layered over tees and blouses. A comfortable, lightweight dress is ideal for day trips, especially in warm climates. Opt for fabrics like cotton or jersey that breathe well and don't wrinkle easily. A maxi dress or jumpsuit is both stylish and practical. These pieces can easily transition from day to night with the right accessories. A simple black dress is a versatile option that can be dressed up with accessories for a night out or worn casually with flats for daytime exploring. If you're heading to colder destinations, a packable down jacket is a great option. These jackets are lightweight but offer significant warmth, and they can be compressed to fit into small spaces in your luggage. Bring enough breathable, comfortable undergarments to last between laundry days. Choose quick-dry fabrics that are easy to wash and wear. If you plan on hiking, working out, or being active during your trip, pack moisture-wicking activewear like leggings, sports bras, and athletic tops. Don't forget a swimsuit if you're heading to a beach or a place with a pool. A simple, well-fitting swimsuit can be used for both swimming and lounging. A stylish wide-brimmed hat or baseball cap is perfect for protecting yourself from the sun during outdoor adventures or beach days. A chic pair of sunglasses not only protects your eyes, but also adds an effortless touch of style to any outfit. Opt for lightweight, versatile jewelry pieces like stud earrings, a simple necklace, and a couple of rings that can easily complement your outfits without taking up much space. A comfortable pair of sneakers or walking shoes is a must, especially if you're planning on doing a lot of sightseeing. Lightweight, slip-on flats or sandals are ideal for days when you want something chic yet comfortable. When it comes to travel, packing smart is essential. With the right clothing essentials, you'll be prepared for any occasion while staying stylish and comfortable. By focusing on comfort, functionality, and style, you'll be ready to explore your destination in confidence. 3. Beauty and skincare. When traveling, maintaining your beauty and skincare routine can be challenging, but it's crucial for staying fresh and feeling confident on the go. Between changing climates, long flights, and new environments, your skin and beauty regimen will need some adjustments. Start with a gentle, travel-sized cleanser that effectively removes dirt and makeup. Choose one that hydrates while cleansing, as traveling can dry out your skin. A lightweight, hydrating moisturizer is key to keeping your skin plump and healthy. Pack a travel-sized, broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from damage. A hydrating face mist can be a lifesaver for long travel days. Travel light by choosing multi-use beauty products like a tinted moisturizer with SPF, which acts as foundation, sunscreen, and hydration all in one. Similarly, a lip and cheek tint can double up to save space and effort. A good compact concealer is essential for covering dark circles, blemishes, or redness after a long flight or a busy day. Travel-size waterproof mascara is ideal for travel, as it stays put through humid weather or long days. Keep your complexion fresh and shine-free by packing either a light translucent powder or blotting papers to absorb excess oil. Keep your lips hydrated during flights or in dry environments with a nourishing lip balm. A travel-sized dry shampoo is a must-have. Pack a small bottle of leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and smooth, especially in humid or dry climates. If you prefer using your own products instead of hotel options, decant your favorite shampoo and conditioner into travel-sized bottles. Bring along a few hair ties, bobby pins, and a compact brush or comb to manage your hairstyle on the go. A silk scrunchie or headband can help protect your hair while adding a touch of style. Travel can wreak havoc on your skin, so pack a serum that targets your skin's specific needs, such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. For a quick skin pick-me-up, pack a couple of hydrating sheet masks. Combat puffiness and dark circles caused by jet lag with a soothing, travel-sized eye cream. Pack a small hand sanitizer that's easy to use, especially during flights or public transportation. Facial cleansing wipes are a convenient option for refreshing your skin when you don't have access to water. Don't forget to bring a solid travel-sized deodorant stick to stay fresh throughout your trip. Bring a small set of travel-sized multi-purpose makeup brushes that work for both powder and cream products to save space. Tweezers and mini scissors are essential for grooming eyebrows or trimming stray hairs. A travel-sized nail kit with clippers, a file, and cuticle trimmer is essential for keeping your nails looking neat during your trip. Instead of bringing full-sized products, decant your must-have skincare, haircare, and makeup products into travel-sized containers. To avoid issues at airport security, minimize the number of liquid products you bring. Opt for solid versions of beauty essentials like shampoos, conditioners, and even perfume. Maintaining your beauty and skincare routine while traveling doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's a quick weekend getaway or an extended vacation, these beauty and skincare essentials will keep you glowing from takeoff to landing. 4. Tech essentials for women. When traveling, having the right tech gear can make your journey more convenient, enjoyable, and stress-free. As a woman on the move, packing lightweight and practical gadgets will help you travel with ease while staying organized. A portable power bank is a must-have for any traveler. Whether you're on a long flight, exploring a new city, or waiting for a connection, a power bank ensures that your phone, tablet, or other devices stay charged. Different countries have different plug types, so a universal travel adapter is essential for keeping your devices charged. A good pair of noise-canceling wireless earbuds can help block out distractions and create a calm, quiet environment for relaxing or focusing. A tablet or e-reader is perfect for staying entertained while traveling. A smartphone is arguably the most essential tech item for any trip. It not only keeps you connected with family and friends, but also serves as your camera, GPS, and travel organizer. Make sure your phone is loaded with useful travel apps such as Google Maps and currency converters to make navigating new destinations easier. If you need to work while traveling or simply prefer having a larger screen, pack a lightweight laptop or a 2-in-1 device like a tablet with a detachable keyboard. Protect your device by investing in a sturdy, padded laptop sleeve or case. It will safeguard your tech from bumps and scratches during your journey. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot ensures you have access to the internet even in areas with limited or unreliable Wi-Fi. While your smartphone can take great photos, packing a compact digital camera can give you better control over your travel photography. A smartwatch or fitness tracker is a great travel companion, especially for active travelers. With all your tech gear, keeping your charging cables, headphones, and adapters organized is crucial. A cable organizer is a simple yet effective way to avoid tangled cords and misplaced chargers. Don't forget to pack extra charging cables and a multi-USB charging hub, so you can charge multiple devices from one outlet at the same time. Whether you're capturing photos, videos, or work documents, it's important to have backup storage. A portable external hard drive or a high-capacity USB drive is ideal for saving your files. Traveling with the right tech essentials allows you to stay connected, entertained, and organized wherever your journey takes you. By packing smart and choosing lightweight, multifunctional devices, you can stay powered up and tech-savvy while keeping your luggage light. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, these travel tech essentials will help make your trip seamless and stress-free. 5. Health and comfort. Traveling can be exciting and rejuvenating, but long journeys, changing time zones, and new environments can sometimes take a toll on your body and well-being. To make your trip more enjoyable and less stressful, it's important to prioritize your health and comfort. Packing the right health essentials helps ensure you feel your best throughout your travels, while comfort items make long trips or unexpected delays more bearable. Hydration is key to staying healthy. A reusable, collapsible water bottle allows you to refill throughout your trip and is easy to store when empty. Carrying healthy, non-perishable snacks is a great way to maintain your energy levels, especially during long flights, layovers, or days with limited food options. Pack snacks like mixed nuts, dried fruits, protein bars, or trail mix to keep hunger at bay and avoid relying on unhealthy airport food. A comfortable travel pillow and a compact travel blanket can make all the difference when it comes to getting some rest during your journey. Traveling across time zones can disrupt your sleep cycle, leading to jet lag. Pack sleep aids such as melatonin, herbal teas, or natural sleep supplements to help you fall asleep more easily. Choose a soft, adjustable sleep mask that comfortably blocks out light without putting pressure on your eyes, ensuring a restful sleep. A compact first aid kit is a must-have for any trip. Pack essentials such as band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and adhesive tape for treating minor cuts or injuries. Include pain relievers, anti-inflammatory medication, and remedies for common ailments like headaches, stomach issues, or motion sickness. Pre-pack any prescription medications you need in travel-sized containers, and ensure you bring enough for your entire trip with a few extra days as a buffer. Travel with a supply of sanitary pads, tampons, or menstrual cups depending on your needs, especially if you're not sure if your destination will have your preferred brand. Pack travel-sized versions of essential toiletries like deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, and facial wipes. Prioritizing your health and comfort while traveling can make all the difference in how enjoyable and stress-free your journey is. Whether you're flying long distances, exploring new cities, or relaxing at a beach resort, these health and comfort essentials will help you stay well and comfortable every step of the way. 6. Travel documents and safety. For women traveling solo or in groups, being well prepared with the right documents and safety gear is essential for peace of mind. Your passport is the most important travel document, and you must carry it securely. Make sure it has enough validity, that is usually 6 months from your return date, and enough blank pages for visas or stamps. Research visa requirements for your destination well in advance. Travel insurance is vital for protecting yourself from unforeseen events such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, or flight delays. Keep a digital copy in cloud-based apps like Google Drive and physical copy in one place, such as a travel organizer of your passport, visa, insurance policy, emergency contact numbers, flight, hotel, and tour bookings so you can easily access them if needed. Store one set in your luggage and another with a trusted contact back home. If you have any medical conditions, allergies, or are taking medications, keep a list of these details on hand in case of emergencies. It's also useful to carry a medical ID card or bracelet if needed. When traveling, it's a good idea to have multiple payment methods available. Carry some local currency in small denominations for places that don't accept credit cards, and bring at least 2 credit or debit cards in case one doesn't work or gets lost. Inform your bank about your travel plans so they don't freeze your cards due to suspicious foreign transactions. For added security, use a money belt or hidden pouch to store your cash, cards, and passport discreetly under your clothes. Download offline maps of your destination ahead of time using apps like Google Maps. This ensures you can navigate the area even without internet access, particularly in remote or rural locations. Research and note the local emergency services phone numbers, such as police, fire department, and ambulance. This information is essential for getting help quickly if needed. To sum up, traveling as a woman brings with it a sense of excitement, but it also requires careful preparation to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Having the right travel essentials can make all the difference, allowing you to travel with confidence and comfort. So, as you set off on your next journey, take the time to thoughtfully curate your packing list. With the right travel essentials, you'll be ready for whatever comes your way, whether it's navigating a bustling city, trekking through nature, or relaxing on a beach. So ladies, what are your travel essentials? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for more discussions.